Hey girl boss, in this video I'm going to show you how to create this pop-up form on Showit and embed your form from Flodesk. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Showit account and go to the website that you want to put your form on and create a new blank canvas. Okay, so I'm going to bring this canvas all the way to the top and I'm going to name it pop-up form. And we are going to make the background black, but we're going to make it less transparent. So when it pops up, they'll still be able to see some of the background like this, and it won't just be a black background. They'll still be able to see the rest of the website. Okay, so we're going to add in the box, and then we're going to add our X. We want to do both of these on the computer and on the desktop and on the phone. Okay. Now we're going to add the header. And I love Showit because you can literally create anything you want. So you can have your pop-up, you can just be creative and be creative. Create any kind of pop-up you want. It doesn't have to look like anyone else's. It can be unique. So that is why I love Showit, and I will never leave its side. Me and Showit, that's my ride or die. Okay? So after we do that, now we are ready to add in the form. And this is where we use Flodesk. So we're going to go to Flodesk, go to Forms. We're going to create a new form, go to Inline, and we want one that stacks up. This is the one I use right here. You want to add them to your segment. I'm going to add them so whenever they sign up, they put their name and their email in, then this is where it's going to send them. So I'm going to send them to my home page sign up form list. And then I'm just going to delete these. And I'm going to add another field. It's going to be the first name. Bring this up. So now they got their first name, their email, and the subscribe button. I'm going to change this button to pink. And the button says, yes, girl, send it to me. So we're going to do that. Yes, girl, send it to me. And black, we want to make sure everything is right. So it's white, black, perfect. So now we are going to get this embed code, copy it, and we're going to go to elements and go to embed code, add the code in, save it, and it should be right here. So in order to view Showit. I'm sorry, in order to view Flodesk forms, you have to preview it. So it's going to be a little customizing that we have to do because we have to see exactly where it went. Okay, I forgot to take the background off. So we need this background color to be no color. This needs to be font is black. So we need to fill this out and make sure this is white. Okay. We're going to do this again. We should be in the game now. Oops. Okay, there we go. So now we need to move it down a little bit. We got to figure it out for the phone too, the mobile view. So mobile view, we need to do some work, but desktop looks good. Now that your form is where it needs to be, now we have to do this click action. So click action, you want to hide the canvas. So when someone clicks on X, it's going to hide this. And we want to make this canvas hidden to start so they don't see this canvas until I went here and I did a scroll action. Actually, it's here. So the scroll action. So once they're scrolling, once they get here, I have a trigger on screen to show canvas, and it's going to show the pop-up freebie. So scroll action, show screen, on screen, show canvas, pop-up freebie. So that's when this is going to show up. And then when you want to exit out, then you have the click action and it's going to hide that freebie. So that is how you're able to get this effect. Scroll down. Once you get here, this is going to pop up. They could either insert the information or exit out. So that is how you create a pop-up form and Showit and link your Flodesk form.